There's something about a set of pristine, shiny tires that really puts your vehicle's appearance over the top. But while the right tire shine can give your vehicle a professionally detailed appearance and protect the tires from harmful UV rays, the wrong one can turn into a giant mess and a waste of money. We understand the importance of getting the right tire shine and gel product, and that's why we tracked down and reviewed 10 of the best tire shine spray and gel products and highlighted them for you here. There are numerous options for cheap tire shine spray, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable tire shine spray from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Chemical Guys Silk Shine. Similarly to the TVD107, our other Chemical Guys feature for best tire shines is an all-around workhorse. Its VRP formula works well across various surface types to provide a great clean. Key features comes in a variety of package deals with other Chemical Guys products. UV protection spray on shine, glossy finish satisfying new car smell. Our experience application. The silk shine spread easily across our tire and soaked into the treads well. One thing we noticed was the bottle had a problem with overspraying due to its trigger design, so getting a direct shot was nearly impossible. The shine itself was also watery, so drips of shine were hard to control. Shine. After wiping down the tires, we found a pleasant shiny coat had formed. UV protection. Silk Shine offered strong UV protection with its thick coat. Number 2. Black Magic 5,072,647 Tire Wet Gel. Some people prefer tire shine over tire gel, but it really comes down to personal preference. If you prefer tire gel over tire shine, Black Magic Tire Wet Gel is what you want. For a tire shine gel, it's available for an outstanding price, and it's hard to find a product that lasts quite as long as this one. A single application can last up to 8 weeks, and considering its weather-resistant formula, it's not surprising when it makes it the full 8 weeks before you need to reapply. This product comes with the applicator and everything you need to apply it, which is another great perk. Still, like all tire gels, Black Magic Tire Wet Gel does produce some tire sling, but when you apply it properly, this tire sling is minimal, but it still happens. It's a definite drawback to tire gel instead of a spray, but the trade-off is that you won't need to reapply this product as often, and you'll get a phenomenal shine with tons of protective benefits. Number 3. Chemical Guys TVD10816. If you're on a tighter budget but still want a top-notch tire shine product for your tires, then the Chemical Guys VRP is precisely what you've been looking for. It's an insanely affordable product, but that's not the only reason it made our list. It's also extremely easy to use, and you can use it on a wide array of products. In fact, that's what the VRP stands for. You can use this product to protect, seal, and shine any vinyl, rubber, or plastic products, making it an excellent choice for a variety of surfaces on your vehicle. Still, while it's a versatile product, that doesn't mean it's not a top-notch tire shine. It both protects and gives the tire a clean shine, all with zero sling. It uses a water-based formula that is gentle yet effective, and because of this, you don't have to be as careful about overspray. Number 4. Griot's Garage 10995 Black Shine Tire Gel. Griot's Garage is likely a product you've never heard of before, but it's really time you change that. It's challenging to find a tire shine product out there that protects your tires better than Griot's Garage long-lasting tire dressing. As the name implies, it lasts a long time, meaning you don't have to head out every few days to reapply it. Even better, it can handle all types of weather conditions out there, so even after a big rainstorm, you don't need to worry about whether or not your tires still have UV protection. Still, for everything this tire shine does right, it did fall down towards the bottom of our list for a reason. Chief among those reasons is that this tire dressing does a better job protecting your tires than giving them a professional-looking shine. Number 5. TriNova Tire Shine Spray. While TriNova Tire Shine Spray didn't make our top few choices, it didn't miss it by much. This tire shine spray is an outstanding option for your vehicle. Like all the top options, it gives the tires an outstanding shine while also protect them from harmful UV rays that lead to a shorter shelf life. It's also easy to use and comes with a top-tier applicator That makes it easy to get the exact appearance you're looking for. However, while we truly love this tire shine, it did miss our top 4 for a reason. The primary concern is that it's a more expensive option. It's very similarly priced to the Car Guys Tire Shine product, but it's just a step behind. But unlike Car Guys Tire Shine, if you find you like TriNova Tire Shine, you can purchase in bulk to drive down the cost a bit. There's a 1-gallon refill option you can purchase, and when you look at the cost per ounce at that point, it's a phenomenal deal. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.